Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Accessibility Challenges. This is Make Screen Reader Navigation Easier with the Footer Landmark. It says, similar to header and nav, the footer element has a built-in landmark feature that allows assistive devices to quickly navigate to it. It's primarily used to contain copyright information or links to related documents that usually sit at the bottom of a page. CamperCat's training page is making good progress. Changed the div he used to wrap his copyright information at the bottom of the page to a footer element. So, very similar to our other lessons, here we have our body, which contains all our content of our page. We have our header, which goes up to there. Within there, we have our nav. And then we have our main section down here, which separates these sections here into articles. And then another section with other articles. Here at the bottom, we see that the main content ended. And here we have a div, which could be a footer if we want to be more specific. If we look down here, there it is. It should be 2019 now. Not sure if it'll let us pass like that, but either way, let's run test. Maybe I do have to keep it. Nope. They were just yelling at me because I changed that. But the main point in this exercise is just we're learning how to better organize our information. Our content should be as descriptive as possible, not just for us, but as this course implies, it is for accessibility and making sure our website is accessible um, really helps out people with screen readers if we organize the information correctly. So as long as you're understanding that, you're understanding these lessons, we've pretty much looked at the header, main, section, articles, and we just did the footer. And those are all ways of better organizing our information within our page. As long as you're getting that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.